Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and whether it's my morning cup of coffee or a nice glass of wine at night, I have thoroughly enjoyed this bistro set by Flamaker. These chairs are so comfortable and so beautiful. I think what I love the most is that I'm 5'5" and I can so comfortably sit in these chairs with my feet flat on the ground because they are a lower chair. It really adds to the relaxation. I've never been one for rattan furniture, but with these metal accents and the shape of them, I really find this set quite stunning. It really lends itself to many different styles. They definitely have a modern look to them, and yet that rattan makes it feel nice and comfortable and homey. You do have to assemble these yourself, and I was pleasantly surprised with the ease of construction. All of the hardware is labeled and packaged separately so you know which one to use. It's very clearly labeled. I do recommend, and it says it multiple times in the instructions, make sure you do not tighten the screws all the way until you're finished. They've held up for both my husband and I. They're nice and sturdy. And so far, these have held up in the rain as well. I think right after we put them together, we had a full day of rain and it was no problem. The next day, the seats were dried out and we were able to sit comfortably. The chairs have been a beautiful and comfortable addition to our patio, and I am just loving sitting out here as much as I can. And that's my point of view.